Hello and welcome to the video walk around with the 2013 Mitsubushi ASX Intelligent Motion in metallic black finish with a 16-inch of Mitsubushi alloy wheels. All 4 alloy wheels of the vehicle are in good condition. It's got split folding rear seats and a parcel shelf. Down here we have the inflection kit. And the front view of the vehicle. Velour interior with 5 headrests. Eyes fixed for child seat preparation. And for your safety, it's got front, side and rear airbags. It's got the side airbags on the side of the seats. They're over there. And the rear ones are over there. It's got some velour on the door next to the handle. Speakers on the rear doors and a child lock. So here we have the electric windows and 40 mirrors. It's got traction control. And it is a 5-speed manual. So here in the middle it's got some cup holders, another cup holder in there, where it says it's not a cup holder but it is a cup holder. It's got 12-volt power outlet, some storage department over there, a center armrest, some storage department, a 12-volt power outlet, and the auxiliary are under the center armrest. Air conditioning, AM FM radio and a MP3 CD player. It's got that screen in there. In the glove box we have the user manual. This was the video walk around of the 2013 Mitsubushi ASX. To book a test drive or for any further information, please give us a call. Thanks for watching.